Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. It's always a pleasure to welcome my regular visitors and very warm welcome to my new visitors. Cook with Reena is a one-stop destination where you can find varieties of recipes across India and some global cuisines also. So please do visit my channel, go through the videos, and these are very easy to do recipes. You can easily adopt it. I'm sure you will love the recipes, and after watching the videos, please like, share and leave your comments also. And please do subscribe my channel Cook with Reena, and you will find many interesting things over here. So viewers, it's a lovely day and I'm going to do something interesting. So let's get started. So viewers, for Szechuan chili prawn, the ingredients are displayed here. I'll introduce you. This is 12 pieces of jumbo prawns. It is almost 500 grams. And this is for Szechuan preparation. What we need is spring onion, white and green both, and 1 cup plain flour, and some oil. I am taking sesame oil, and some garlic. These are few garlic and 6 to 8 garlic cloves. I'll chop it, and some ginger. I have julienne these gingers, you can see, and some dry red chilies. And for marination, what we need is soya sauce. This is soya sauce. We will take 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This we'll use for marinade. And while stir frying, we'll need some ingredients. That is also some soya sauce. And this is Chinese wine, Shangzhou wine, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And these are Szechuan chilies that I'll coarsely ground, and some sesame seeds for garnishing. These are the main ingredients. And I'll now start the dish, preparing the dish. You need to marinate the prawns with soya sauce and sesame oil. Keep aside, and while it's getting marinated, you don't need to marinate for long. 5-10 minutes are enough. And this oil is heating. You can do other arrangements. Coat all the prawns like this with flour. By the time the oil is heating, you do this process. And while putting it in the oil, you have to just shake off the extra flour and fry it. So oil is hot. I am just putting these oil. Shake off the extra flour. Just please ensure. Shake off the extra flour. You must have noticed that I have not put salt in this, because these prawns are already seafood, they are already salted, and soya sauce has lot of salt. So this does not require extra salt. So you have to fry these in batches. Flip them and fry them in batches, all the prawns. They will become, the outer shell will be very crispy. The purpose is that only. So these are fried now. This is the second batch. So I'll take out the prawns now and we shall process for the second step. Marination was the first step, then the fried thing, and now the stir fry, last stage. So I am preparing now stir fry sauce. This is 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and that 2 tablespoons of wine. This is the wine bottle. From here I'll add 2 tablespoons. The oven is still here, that's why I'm doing like this, trying to show you as much as possible. This is a very flavorful one, and it adds the exact Chinese flavor to this dish. So if you are fond of Chinese food, then you must have this wine at home. Now I shall heat oil. I'm adding sesame oil. You do not need much of oil in this actually. This is stir fry preparation. You have to do everything in high heat. So first I'll add this few red chilies. Then this garlic and this julienne ginger also. Make it lightly brown. Then add this spring onion white. Some rock salt to it. Then the fried prawn. Now add the Szechuan pepper. I have ground them, and add some red chili powder also, of Indian red chili powder, to make it more hot, and it will bring the color also. Now I shall add the stir fry sauce, which I have made with wine and soya sauce and sugar. The sugar has dissolved, so I'll add this now. Fry it on high heat. So it's already almost done. You don't have to cook it for long after adding the sauce. Just get it dry. It's done. I'm switching off now. I shall add now the sesame seed. These are toasted sesame seed and some greens from spring onion. So isn't it looking so gorgeous? Just look at this. So I hope this is only thing is you have to make the all ingredients ready, and it's only 10 to 12 minutes matter of cooking it. You have to have all the ingredients beside you. So I hope you have liked this recipe, and you will follow this, and please visit my channel. Do follow this recipe, make it, and do not forget to click on the like button and give your comments, and please subscribe my channel Cook with Reena. I shall come with more such recipes with you. I shall serve it and show you how to serve this. So see you with another great recipe. Thank you. So viewers, you will present this recipe like this. You just sprinkle some onions above and some more sesame seed, and it will look gorgeous, and your guests will be delighted. Guest, your family member, whoever.